How do I fix my GE refrigerator if it's not cooling, but the freezer is working?
Hello DIY troubleshooters. Today, we're diving into a common household issue. Your GE refrigerator isn't cooling, but the freezer is working just fine. No need to panic. We'll walk through some possible causes and their solutions. The goal is to get your refrigerator up and running as soon as possible.
Is the thermostat set correctly?
The first thing we should check is your refrigerator's thermostat settings. Step 1. Check if the thermostat inside your refrigerator is set to the right temperature. It should be around 38 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 3 to 5 degrees Celsius, for optimum cooling. Step 2. If it's not set properly, adjust it. Wait a few hours and check if the fridge is cooling correctly. If not, let's move to the next section.
Is the fan in the freezer working?
Next up, let's check the fan in the freezer. This fan circulates cold air from the freezer to the fridge. Step 1. You should be able to hear a fan running when the fridge is on. Step 2. If you don't hear it, it's time to check and potentially replace the evaporator fan. Please remember to unplug the fridge before doing any repairs.
Are the coils clean?
If the thermostat and fan are working correctly, the issue might lie with the condenser coils. Step 1. These coils can be found at the back of or beneath your fridge. Step 2. Over time, they can become dusty and dirty, which can inhibit their functionality. If they're dirty, clean them with a vacuum or a coil brush. After cleaning, allow a few hours for the fridge to reach optimal temperature.
Is the damper functional?
Lastly, let's look at the air damper. It controls the amount of cold air entering the fridge from the freezer. Step 1. If it's stuck or broken, it may not allow enough air through. Step 2. Check your GE refrigerator's manual to find the damper's location and check if it's functioning. If not, replace it. By now, your GE refrigerator should be cooling as expected. But remember, if you're unsure about any of these steps or they don't solve your problem, consult a professional. Safety always comes first. We hope this guide has been helpful and your refrigerator is back to keeping your food fresh and cool.